The Zarbaco Electric Cooktop 30-inch model delivers strong, even heating across 4 radiant zones, making everyday cooking faster and more predictable than a typical freestanding range. Its 11-step power control lets you fine-tune heat from gentle simmering to a vigorous sear, so delicate sauces and high-heat stir-fries are both easy to manage. The smooth black ceramic glass surface looks refined and modern, while also wiping clean quickly after spills or boilovers. Because it is a radiant electric design that works with almost any flat-bottom cookware, you can keep using existing pots and pans instead of buying special induction-compatible pieces. Safety touches like the residual heat indicator and clear knob controls give extra reassurance for households with children or older family members. With no open flame and less ambient heat than a gas cooktop, it helps keep the kitchen more comfortable during long cooking sessions or in warmer climates.